Okay team, we got us a new toy here. Actually we've had it for a while, but we've been using it a little bit differently. But being we've got the FET problem kind of squared away, I'm now using this data logger to look at the battery with one of these channels, look at the current meter through this current shunt here with the other channel, and look at the voltage across the motor with this last channel. Basically what brought this on is I was advised that the current meter that we were clamping on here to the positive, clamp on current meters are valid for alternating current readings. We of course are reading DC, so the correct way to do it is with a voltage shunt, you know, and monitor the voltage across it, log it, which we will be doing. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to turn this on. We're starting to log the data. All this data will be made available when I finish this run. Turn on the fan for the wonderful thing here. Start up John's pulsers and start raising up the voltage. And I don't know if you can hear the RPM is going up on the motor. So when I get up to about the right level, and of course our data logger is logging all this. Okay, we got up to about 75 volts, so I'm going to transfer to battery power. And now we're going to look at RPM. Currently going 3,300 RPM on the motor. And for this test, that'll be good enough. What we'll do is we'll turn on a 100-watt light. And we'll look at RPM again. That's going 3,200 RPM with a 100-watt light on there. And we'll click on 500-watt light. You heard the motor speed drop a little bit. And that's going 3,000 RPM with a 600-watt load on it now. And let me try adjusting the frequency a little bit on the motor. Okay, and we're shutting off the test. I'll post this and we'll go from there. We should have good current and voltage readings. Hope to see you on the list soon.